There, it's Carol. Carol's the action plan if you're nasty. So I'm going to do a recipe today. It's slow cooker chicken Verde. And I can't find the recipe I was going to use, so I found another one on the internet, and I'll post a link below. This is a crock pot recipe, so let's get started. Hopefully my tripod is... So the first thing I'm doing right now is I'm going different than the recipe. I'm doing a bigger portions because I have a lot of chicken. So the first thing I like to do when I work with chicken thighs is because they can be kind of fatty. I have a poultry scissor, so I just kind of trim a lot of the excess fat off because gross. I know fat equals flavor, but come on now, let's be real. So I'm just going to throw these all into the crock pot. This one's pretty good. So I gotta say, I'm driving home just because someone's pulled over by the police on the 405 doesn't mean everyone has to slow down to 40 miles an hour in a 60 mile an hour zone. That drives me crazy. The traffic here is stupid because so many people are moving to this area and I hate it. I moved here too, granted, but this was in 1991. So I'm almost like a local. So I've been here a little while. But shit, don't slow down because there's a cop on the road. They're already busy. They're not going to bust you first. They got shit to do. You just slow down the flow of traffic. I'm trying to get places, people. So I drive 70 miles round trip to my job every day. So I like to get home. But I'm grateful for my work hours because I get off, I have enough daylight to do something with myself. So I work 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. Monday through Friday, unless I had to work the Saturday schedule. There is a lot of fat on this one. So I'm just trimming the fat, trimming a good fair amount of it off. I can't get all of it. Fat does equal flavor, but we don't need so much of it, I don't think. So I guess this will be a paleo recipe. I wouldn't say Whole30 compliant because I don't know that the other ingredients I chose are Whole30 compliant. So I'll just say paleo, which is good enough for me. I wanted to do this weekend, but I hurt myself. I hurt my hamstring or something. I don't think it was from kickboxing. I think it was already bothering me, and that just exacerbated it. Did I say that right? I don't know. Anyways, so I'm getting the chicken in the pot. Move this out the way so no cats can get to it, because they'll try. Let me rinse my hands off. Alright, now that's in the crock pot, and now I just need to add, it says a 12-ounce jar of salsa verde. I'm doing a 16-ounce jar. Can't open it because my hands are wet. Check out this lip color I have. It's like my new favorite right now. It's a BH Cosmetics metallic lip. The shade is ginger. Yeah, it looks like this. It's very summery. I like the metallic and it stays on really well. So we're going to pour this over the chicken. Whole jar. I like recipes where I just fill the whole jar. Now this is a 7-ounce can of diced fire roasted diced green chilies. This called for a 4-ounce can, but I have extra chicken, so I'm just gonna throw that on there. Like I said, I'll post the recipe down below. I'm just kind of going off, the radar a little bit. I'm doing different amounts of stuff. Let me find a spoon. Then I'm going to, this right in here is 1 teaspoon of cumin and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. The original recipe calls for half a teaspoon each, but since I'm doing a lot more chicken, so I'm just going to sprinkle that in there. It says salt and pepper to taste. I don't usually do that. I'll let people like do their seasoning themselves, if that makes any sense. So I'm just gonna stir it in here. And now I'm going to put it on low. It says says low for 4 to 6 hours. So I'll check it at 4. And if I like what I see, I'll be seeing you then. And welcome back. So this has been in for about 4 hours in the crock pot on low, which is what it called for in the recipe. Let me see if it is if it's cooked all the way through. Where's a fork when I need one? So there's a piece. Seems like it's done. I don't really get no salmonella or nothing. Hey, Mark! Mark Underdown! I can't eat this right now because I'm intermittent fasting. And, yeah. So I can't have any right now. I'm going to turn the camera so I can, well, let me do that. Duncan wants to try some. He's always, that's his new spot on top of the garbage can, waiting to see what kind of food action's going on, because he's a kitchen shark. I ended up with, I'm actually going to take a picture tomorrow of the tacos I'm going to make after I get back from my workout. I was able to Mark come up and try it right quick, but he is busy, literally too busy to do taste testing on Carol Steele Action Plan. Talk to you later. Oh yeah, I forgot. What I like about this recipe is there's, if you don't count the spices, just 3 ingredients: the chicken thighs, the fried roasted chilies, and the green salt, and the salsa verde. So a simple recipe, few spices, throw in the crock pot, good to go. Thank you for watching. Filming? Oh my god. So I'm putting salsa, the salsa fresca on top of the tacos that I'm making. I line my baking sheet with parchment paper so nothing sticks. And now that the oven's preheated, I'm going to pop these in the oven for 10 minutes. That's all you need. And I'll hit you back when I take these out. But here's how they look right now. Did I get them? It's like you just went on a roller coaster ride, huh? Alright, let me pop these in the oven. I'll be back in a few minutes to put the finishing stuff on it. And I'm back. So, I just pulled these out the oven. And I'm going to throw some Mexican sour cream on it. If I can. I don't know why I like Mexican sour cream. Well, I'm making tacos, so that seems like it'd be appropriate. So at this point, once I put the cheese on those tortillas, this became no longer paleo. And I'm okay with that because I need my sour cream really bad. So I have to put my sour cream on. I like this broccoli slaw. I used to use cabbage, but I really enjoy the broccoli slaw. Try to get my vegetables in. So that is my video for the chicken verde tacos, and I'm probably gonna eat that whole avocado too. I'm not even bothered. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you tried this in the comments, and see you next video.